Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Tofu Stir Fry with broccoli and mushrooms. A high protein, quick and delicious stir fry that's packed with flavor, texture, and vibrant colors. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for tofu stir fry with broccoli and mushrooms. This popular Asian-style recipe combines crispy tofu, tender broccoli, and juicy mushrooms tossed in a rich, glossy sauce that's perfectly balanced with savoury, mildly spicy, and umami flavors. It's a wholesome dish that brings together great taste and nutrition in every bite. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious tofu stir fry with broccoli and mushrooms. Step 1. Preparing the tofu. We have taken 200 grams of tofu. Using a paper tissue or kitchen towel, press and dry out all the water from the tofu. Tofu is an excellent plant-based protein that helps in muscle building and keeps you full longer. Wipe the surface completely dry before cutting the tofu. Cut the tofu into medium-sized cubes, the way I have shown.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
Once done, press again with a paper tissue and dry the water from the tofu. This process is done to ensure the tofu is completely dry. Once done, sprinkle quarter teaspoon of salt all over the tofu pieces. Mix them nicely. Now place the tofu pieces in a bowl with a cover and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Coating the tofu with corn flour will make it crisp and help it absorb the sauce properly while cooking. Stir everything nicely. Now cover the bowl and shake the bowl to coat all the sides of the tofu nicely with corn flour. Once done, cover and keep aside, preferably in the refrigerator to remain dry. Tofu is ready. Step 2. Preparing the broccoli. We have taken 150 grams of broccoli and cut it into medium-sized florets. We have not used the stems in this recipe, but we have saved them to use later in a soup. Wash the broccoli florets thoroughly and drain all the water. On medium heat, boil enough water in a pan to boil the broccoli. Once the water is boiling hot, add the broccoli florets. Let them boil for around 1 or 2 minutes. Once done, put the heat off and remove the boiled broccoli florets. Place them in a bowl containing cold water and ice cubes. This step will make the broccoli bright green and prevent it from turning pale. Set them aside. Boiled broccoli florets are ready. Step 3. Preparing the other ingredients. We have taken 5 mushrooms weighing around 100 grams. Wash them thoroughly using running water and then remove the outer skin. Cut the mushrooms the way I have shown. Mushrooms are ready. Take 2 spring onions. Cut the spring onion whites into smaller pieces. We have used the greens of only 1 spring onion and cut it fine. You will also need 1/4-inch piece of ginger. Cut it very fine. 8 medium-sized cloves of garlic, cut very fine. 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes. 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds. For the sauce, in a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add half teaspoon of salt. Add quarter teaspoon of vinegar. Add quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add quarter cup or 60 ml of water. Mix everything nicely. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix everything properly. Add another quarter cup or 60 ml of water. Mix everything nicely. Our sauce is ready. Step 4. Preparing the tofu stir fry. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the tofu pieces. Cook them for around 3 to 4 minutes on one side. Then turn them to cook the other side for around 3 to 4 minutes. Ensure both the sides are cooked evenly. Once they get a light brown color on both sides, remove them and keep them aside. In the same pan on medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic pieces. Stir everything nicely. Then add the ginger pieces. After a minute, add the spring onion whites. Stir everything properly. Now add the mushrooms. Cook the mushrooms for around 4 to 5 minutes. Do not cover the pan as the mushrooms will start releasing liquid. Mushrooms are low in calorie and packed with antioxidants and essential minerals that support overall health. After around 4 to 5 minutes, add the boiled broccoli florets. Then add the fried tofu. Broccoli is rich in fiber, vitamin C and K. Now add the sauce all over. Mix everything gently. Check for salt and add if required. Once the sauce gets a boil, it will start to turn thick and glossy. Sprinkle the red chili flakes and garnish with spring onion greens. Mix everything nicely. Now sprinkle the toasted sesame seeds all over. Stir it nicely. Once ready, put the heat off. Delicious tofu stir fry is ready. You can enjoy it hot on its own as a starter or have it along with fried rice or noodles. Serve the tofu stir fry garnished with spring onion greens, red chili flakes and toasted sesame seeds. It not only makes the dish taste good, but also makes the dish visually appealing. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.